Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup when I'm going to the beach or a pool, or I'm going to be out in the full sun for a long time. So I do a lot of different layers of sunscreen. Everything that I talk about today I will link down below in the description box. And the first thing I'm going to use is my Sunprise sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen, and you put this on before any makeup. Obviously, a lot of people don't wear makeup to the beach, but the reason that I do this is because it gives me so many different layers. So I'm putting this over my serums and before my foundation. The foundation that I like to use is either the IT Cosmetics CC Plus 50 Plus sunscreen or my Almay Smart Shade Anti-Aging Skin Matching Makeup. This one is, I think, 20 SPF, and either one of these are great to wear in the sun. They don't melt off your face. They both have a consistency that is going to stay put on your face and not sweat off. Even like if I get splashed with water, it's not going to come off. So today I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics, and this one is in the color Neutral Tan. So I'm just going to do one pump of the foundation. And I also go down my neck onto my chest to get that extra protection on my chest. Next, I'm going to use my Garnier roller. This is like the only thing I'm using today that does not have SPF in it. I just put a little bit under my eyes for the darkness. Obviously, you can just skip over this if you do not have dark circles. For my lips, I use the SPF RX 30. This is in Pina Colada, and this one is in Mango. And I also have one with some shimmer in it. This is only 15 SPF, so if you want the extra, you can get this. So these have no shimmer, it's just like a chapstick. And the Nivea one has like this really pretty pink shimmer to it. So using them both together gives like this extra protection, and I like the color. For bronzer, I'm using my Physicians Formula bronzer. This is 30 SPF. So now I've got like even more coverage on my skin, and this definitely stays put. It helps the other products that I put on stay where I put them. It also gives my skin like a nice bronzy tan color. And in the summer, even though I use sunscreen, because I use so many layers on my face, my body still ends up a little bit more tan than my face. So this is nice to even out my face with my body. Then I bring the bronzer right up onto my eyes and use it as eyeshadow. So I'm getting the extra SPF protection and getting a nice little contour on my eyes. For highlight, I'm going to use my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. This is SPF 25. It's almost gone, time to get a new one. And I just use a little bit of that, got even more SPF and a nice little highlight. Just tap this up on my cheekbones so I get that nice shimmer and some extra protection. I love the glowy look in the summertime. It's just gorgeous. That's what summer's all about, is being glowy and bronzy and protected from the sun. Then it depends if I want to keep going and do my eyebrows. Usually I will just kind of comb them out, put like a little bit extra to fill in my eyebrows, but sometimes just that little bit gives a nice extra definition to your face. And this also will not come off when you're sweating or in the water. I have not tested any of this going actually underwater, but just the normal, if I'm at a pool and getting splashed, it's not gonna come off. Sometimes I'll even do my eyelashes, and I either use my Voluminous Million Lashes or the Voluminous Lash Paradise in waterproof. They are both amazing, neither one of them come off. And I just do a little bit on the tips of my lashes just to give that extra definition. Usually I have my sunglasses on anyway, and either one of these mascaras is not gonna come off. I'm just doing the top lashes just to give that little bit of definition. Then what I do throughout the day is I have my SPF 50 spray. This is Botanical Sunscreen. Again, I will link everything below so you won't have to write it down or go searching for it. I'm also going to link all of these products in the top comment, so it'll be easier for you to find all of the products. So all I do is once my makeup is all done, I give my face a good spray. This does not burn, it does not mess up my makeup, and I do this throughout the day about, I would say every half hour. I just keep spraying my face and my body and whatever I want to keep protected. But this one is my favorite for over my makeup. If I ever need to touch up the makeup, I just bring my bronzer with me. I really have never had to touch up, maybe once when I totally dunked my head in the water and needed to just touch up a little bit. But this sun protection and makeup works so good. It doesn't come off, and I don't even have to think about touching up until like at the end of the day. If I go inside, I may touch up a little under my eyes, but that's about it. Some more of my favorite sunscreens are this Hawaiian Tropic Sheer Touch. This is Ultra Radiance. It has almost like a, not really sparkly, but kind of a sheen to it. I have it in 15 and 30. This smells so good, and it just gives like a nice sheen to your skin. Then I have this Australian Gold Broad Spectrum. This is only SPF 15 if I want to get a little color but still not burn and stay protected. And it has kind of like a bronzer in it, so it helps your skin get nice color but still stay protected. Let me know what your favorites are for sunscreen and summertime makeup that really stays put and doesn't come off and gives you great protection. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!